Discover the power of Pictory AI, the ultimate video generator of 2024. In this video, we'll explore the cutting-edge technology behind Pictory AI and show you how to create stunning videos that captivate your audience. From brainstorming ideas to finalizing your masterpiece, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a marketing professional, entrepreneur, or social media influencer, you'll learn how to harness the potential of Pictory AI to elevate your video content and take your brand to the next level. Get ready to revolutionize your video creation process and uncover the secrets to making attention-grabbing videos that drive results. Did you know that videos are 1,200% more likely to be shared than text and images combined? In today's digital landscape, video has become a powerhouse for engagement, driving higher click-through rates, conversions, and brand awareness. For creators and businesses alike, this surge in video popularity means one thing: to captivate audiences and boost visibility, video content is the key. Embrace video to tell your story, reach your ideal audience, and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of online marketing. Content creators often face a range of challenges in producing high-quality videos, making video production a daunting process. One of the biggest obstacles is time constraints. Creating videos that captivate and engage audiences demands significant time, not just in filming but also in scripting, editing, and refining the final product. For creators juggling multiple platforms or a busy schedule, dedicating the hours required for high-quality video production can feel overwhelming. Technical skills present another major hurdle. Many creators have brilliant ideas but lack the specialized skills needed for tasks like editing, color grading, and sound mixing. High-quality videos typically require proficiency with editing software, knowledge of visual effects, and an understanding of sound design, all of which can be intimidating for newcomers or non-technical creators. Additionally, limited budgets can make it challenging to invest in professional equipment, software, or even outsourcing editing work. This makes achieving professional quality difficult, especially for those who want to create a polished, standout video that resonates with their audience. Together, these challenges can restrict creative potential and slow down content production. Tools that simplify video creation and reduce the need for technical expertise are helping creators overcome these barriers, enabling them to focus more on storytelling and connecting with their audience. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more content, and don't forget to share it with others who might find it helpful. Your support helps us keep bringing you valuable insights. Join me as I dive into Pictory AI to see if I can create stunning videos that will blow your mind using just this tool. Pictory AI is revolutionizing the world of video creation, and I'm excited to share with you its potential to transform the way we create content in 2024. As we embark on this journey, I want you to imagine a world where creating high-quality videos is no longer a daunting task, but rather an effortless process that unlocks your full creative potential. We've all been there, stuck in the never-ending cycle of video production, hampered by time constraints and limited technical skills. You want to create stunning videos that captivate your audience, but you're held back by the complexity of editing software, the struggle to write engaging scripts, and the pressure to create visually appealing visuals. It's frustrating, to say the least. You know your message is valuable, but getting it across to your audience in a way that resonates with them seems like an impossible feat. And if you're like most creators, you've probably spent countless hours researching, experimenting, and perfecting your craft, only to end up with mediocre results. The truth is, creating high-quality videos requires a tremendous amount of time, effort, and expertise. And let's be honest, not everyone has the luxury of having a dedicated team of professionals at their disposal. So, what's the solution? Pictory AI is an innovative tool that's about to change the game. This AI-powered video generator simplifies the entire video creation process, empowering creators like you to produce stunning videos without breaking the bank or sacrificing quality. With Pictory AI, you can create engaging scripts, edit your footage with ease, and add visually stunning visuals to your videos. One of the most impressive features of Pictory AI is its script writing capability. This AI engine analyzes your topic, tone, and style to generate a script that's tailored to your brand's unique voice. And the best part? It does it in a matter of minutes, not hours or days. When it comes to video editing, Pictory AI takes the complexity out of the process. With its intuitive interface, you can seamlessly stitch together footage, add transitions, and fine-tune the pacing of your video. And if you're worried about visuals, Pictory AI's got you covered. Its extensive library of templates, graphics, and animations ensures that your video looks professional and polished. But don't just take my word for it. Let me share with you a compelling case study that illustrates the transformative power of Pictory AI. Sarah, a fitness instructor, was struggling to create engaging videos for her YouTube channel. She spent hours scripting, editing, and perfecting her videos, but they just weren't resonating with her audience. That was until she discovered Pictory AI. With Pictory AI, Sarah was able to create stunning videos that not only looked professional but also resonated with her audience. She saw a significant increase in engagement, with her video views increasing by 300% and her channel subscribers growing by 500%. What I love most about Pictory AI is that it's not just a tool, it's a game changer. It empowers creators to focus on what matters most, sharing their message, telling their story, and connecting with their audience. By simplifying the video creation process, Pictory AI gives you the freedom to explore new ideas, experiment with different formats, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Pictory AI is transforming the way creators approach video production, offering a revolutionary tool that combines simplicity with advanced AI capabilities. As we step into 2025, where video content reigns supreme, Pictory AI emerges as a game changer, enabling creators to produce high-quality videos effortlessly, even without prior editing skills. With Pictory, you can turn scripts, articles, and even blog posts into engaging videos in minutes, streamlining content creation and boosting productivity. Its intuitive design and powerful AI-driven features make it a must-have for anyone looking to captivate audiences and stay competitive in the digital landscape. For creators eager to elevate their storytelling, Pictory AI is the ultimate ally in bringing ideas to life with minimal effort and maximum impact. Pictory AI is an indispensable tool for any creator looking to take their video content to the next level. By addressing the common challenges we face in video production, Pictory AI unlocks your full creative potential, giving you the freedom to create stunning videos that captivate and inspire your audience. Pictory AI makes video creation fast, accessible, and high quality, solving common challenges that video creators face. It helps tackle time constraints by transforming scripts, articles, and text into videos in minutes, saving hours in production. With its intuitive interface, creators don't need advanced technical skills to produce polished, professional content. Pictory handles editing, visuals, and audio with ease. Plus, its built-in library of stock images, clips, and music offers budget-friendly options, helping creators achieve pro-level videos without costly equipment or software. Pictory AI empowers creators to focus on storytelling and audience engagement, making high-quality video production achievable for everyone. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with video creation in the comments. What challenges have you faced, and what tools have helped you along the way? And if you're interested in learning more about powerful video editing tools, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. With Black Friday and the New Year just around the corner, it's the perfect time to level up your content creation. If you're a content creator or YouTuber, don't miss out on Pictory AI's Black Friday offer. This is a great chance to grab an amazing tool at a discounted rate. Click the link in the description to get started and take your videos to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. So, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest video creation challenge, and how do you think Pictory AI could help you overcome it? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video. We've got even more insights waiting for you.